Hello, today we will be talking about MBio MQ instrument and how to properly prepare and run samples for HAB toxins. In the cartridge kit provided, you should have the following items. 20 cartridge bags, which contain both the cartridge and the reagent tube. A 100 microliter fixed pipetter with a bag of disposable pipette tips. And one USB stick. You will also need the MBio MQ machine along with a waste container. Check the inside lid of the cartridge kit for a temperature sensor. If the prolonged exposure circle is white, the cartridges are ready to be run. However, if the sensor is red, contact MBio for replacement cartridges. Prior to preparing your sample, install the LightDeck T software. The logo will look like so. Further instructions for how to do this are in the manuals provided in the cartridge kit. Once downloaded, open the LightDeck T application. Navigate to the Import tab, where you may import the cartridge definition file provided to you in the USB stick. Once the cartridge definition file has been imported, click on the Run Test tab to begin. Enter your sample information in the space provided and click Accept. If your sample requires lysis prior to running, please do this by performing a 3x freeze-thaw method or by using MBio's MQ algalyze device. Now that we are ready to begin our procedure, grab your cartridge bag and open it using the provided pull tabs. Empty the contents, which should include the cartridge, the reagent tube, and a desiccant. Each cartridge will have an associated barcode, cartridge ID number, and a blank space for you to write on. Next, firmly attach your pipette tip to the 100 microliter fixed pipetter. Next, carefully uncap your reagent tube. Ensure that the pellet has fallen to the bottom of the tube before uncapping. Using your pipetter, transfer 100 microliters of your sample into the reagent tube. To ensure 100 microliters has been drawn, make sure the sample fills the pipette tip to the line marked. Using the pipetter, aspirate and dispense at least 5 times to ensure that the reagent and sample material are properly combined. Ensure that the entire pellet has been rehydrated after mixing. Once combined, draw up the mixture and dispense into the cartridge in the space marked Sample. Now the cartridge is ready to be run. Dispose of your pipette tip and reagent tube before proceeding. Return to the LightDeck T software in which you have already input your sample information and click the button labeled Ready Open Door. This will prompt you to input your cartridge. Once the cartridge is inserted, the instrument will immediately begin running the sample. The instrument takes 10 minutes, after which the results of the sample will be displayed. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, you may contact MBio at 303-952-2905 or email us at algae@mbiodx.com.